Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring you have Business Manager access and an active ad account. This empowers ad buying and measurement. Next, link your Instagram if you plan cross-posting, and verify Reels is enabled on your page because format eligibility matters. Once done, assemble vertical 9/16 footage, 3 to 15 seconds ideal, plus a clear CTA and caption. Begin the campaign creation flow in Ads Manager and select Reels as a placement, so your creative targets the exact placement you intend. You now create the campaign with a performance objective. Traffic or conversions usually works best for Reels because they optimize for action. At the ad set level, pick placements and enable Reels, then define budget and schedule. Stagger start times to measure lift. For targeting, use saved audiences and lookalikes to scale, and add interest layering for precision. Once set, enable a /B tests for creative and audience, because iterative testing reveals which reel drives the most engagement and lower cost per result. You finalize the ad by uploading the vertical reel, adding captions and on-screen text, and choosing a direct CTA button to guide viewers. Launch and monitor key metrics, reach, CTR, CPM, and conversion rate to know if the creative resonates. If performance lags, swap creative or adjust targeting. Rotate new reels every few days. If an ad is rejected, immediately review policy, confirm audio and asset ownership, and ensure format specs match requirements. Fixing those usually clears approval within a short review window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.